here a roof. This is the original roof, and I got one more roof but without the sunroof. Let's see what do we have now. Painted, nice black paint. I started to assemble the interior already. It's going to have a chrome door handles. I need to clean the dash and all this stuff. Yeah, all the tools, all the mess. So plan today to install the front part of the sunroof. I mean the ceiling, the headliner, or how do you even call it? I think it's a headliner. Yeah, and then going to do the install the second part, and gonna be lots of coffee and all the stuff. Outside is so hot. It's like 85. So much of us small things here and there, like so many boxes. So I just did the first attempt, and looks like that all this junk is need to be out. All the seats are need to be out, so it sucks. Oh well, what I can do. So all this stuff is need to be out. Let's clean it up. So in order to put one of these headliner, you have to take all this junk off. All of this out. So my little storage is out just to install one headliner. Well, at least I can filter now lots of the junk. Yep. Second attempt to install the headliner. Okay. So something just like this. Okay, so headliner installation. So on a door handles, it says in a handle, in a roof handle, it says left or right. So with your head holding a headliner, says left. Oh. Oops. Of course, with two people it's supposed to be much easier to work with. But I don't have this ability, so working on my own. Okay, and let's do the other side too as well. Okay, where is the headliner? Just like this. So this part of the headliner installed. Now we need to put the visors, and the roof is going to hold itself. And we would have to cut probably like around here, and then the other roof we need to match it to here. So let's do the visors. Okay, I will install the front headliner only on those two small pieces where the visors are clicking to, because it needs to be off anyways again in a little bit. Okay, it's holding up good. Let's do the other side. So the other side is a bit tricky. There is more wiring is involved too. So for the perfect effect, let's hide all the wires. So so they're not on the way. Okay, this part is done. Fix the mirror. Okay, looking good. So far away. The rear back window. So back right there. Okay, so the easy part is done. The hard part is coming up. I have a couple ideas. There is a guide. My guides is those door handles. And there's door handles there too. So I will make guides by those door handles. So the first roof is installed. I even put some lights there for the sunroof and all that stuff. So I would have to cut the roof about from here to over there, and that basically that short roof is gonna be from here to over here, so it's about 3 feet long. That's pretty much it. That's how long it's gonna be roof. Yep. So much of a mess. So it's going to have a two bench and bench, and I might have some seats on the back too, so it will be like 5 row, not 4 row. So I just discovered first unmatched stuff. So this is 1, 2, third door. Have to carve it like this in order to even close the door. Because I believe this 1, 2, 3, 4, it's supposed to be somewhere right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, or over here. Doors here. Yeah, it's supposed to be right here in this area.